Have you ever felt like your weight loss goals are slipping away because you can't get to the gym or stand for long periods? Maybe you've dealt with joint pain, mobility issues, or just a lack of motivation. But what if I told you that you could lose weight, tone your muscles, and boost your energy, all while sitting down? Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, pull up a sturdy chair because today, we're unlocking one of the best-kept secrets in the fitness world: chair exercises for weight loss. These aren't your grandma's old stretches. We're talking full-body, calorie-torching, metabolism-boosting moves that are gentle on your joints but powerful in results. So whether you're at home, at the office, or just getting started on your fitness journey, this video is your ultimate guide to transforming your health, one seated move at a time. Let's begin with seated marches. While sitting tall in your chair with your feet flat on the floor, start lifting one knee at a time like you're marching in place. Keep your core tight and your back straight. Do this continuously for about 60 seconds. This simple yet effective move raises your heart rate, warms up your body, and sets the stage for the calorie burn to come. Think of it as the warm-up before the storm. Only you don't need a treadmill or gym gear, just determination. Now that you're warmed up, let's move to seated jumping jacks. Sounds impossible? Not quite. Sit up straight and spread your legs apart as you raise your arms out to the sides and up over your head, mimicking the jumping jack motion. Bring everything back in and repeat for 45 to 60 seconds. This works your shoulders, arms, thighs, and even your cardiovascular system. Don't underestimate the power of movement. Even seated, your body is still burning calories when done with intention. Let's take it up a notch with seated punches. Sit upright, engage your core, and start punching forward, alternating arms. You can punch straight ahead, go diagonally, or even mix in some uppercuts. The key is speed and precision. Do this for about 1 minute. You'll feel your arms, chest, and shoulders working while your heart rate climbs. Imagine punching away stress, fat, and self-doubt, all from your chair. Now bring in the seated knee lifts with a twist. This move targets your abs and obliques, helping you sculpt your midsection while torching calories. Sit tall, place your hands behind your head, and lift one knee while twisting your opposite elbow toward it. Alternate sides like you're doing seated bicycle crunches. Try doing this for 45 seconds to a minute. It's amazing how such a small range of motion can light up your core and make you feel stronger from the inside out. Let's turn our attention to the legs with seated leg extensions. Straighten one leg out in front of you, hold for a second, then lower it. Alternate legs for about a minute. Want a bigger burn? Add ankle weights or hold your leg up for longer. This targets your quads and helps maintain lower body strength, crucial for burning more calories even while at rest. Stronger legs mean better support and a faster metabolism. Ready to fire up your inner thighs? Place a soft pillow or yoga block between your knees. Now squeeze and release. It's a tiny movement but incredibly effective. Do it continuously for 1 minute. This targets the adductor muscles, which are often neglected but essential for core and lower body strength. Plus, it's a great way to improve circulation and control in your legs, especially if you spend long hours sitting. Time for the seated arm circles. Extend both arms out to your sides and start making small circles forward for 30 seconds, then switch to backward circles for another 30 seconds. Keep your shoulders relaxed, but engaged. This movement tones your arms and shoulders and increases upper body endurance. Don't be fooled. It may look easy, but those little circles add up quickly. Now let's get those triceps involved with seated dips. Slide to the edge of your chair, place your hands next to your hips, and lift your body a few inches off the seat using your arms. Lower yourself slowly and repeat for 8 to 10 reps. This is a serious strength move that targets the back of your arms, the notorious bat wings. Consistent practice tightens and tones that area fast. Let's make our core do some heavy lifting with seated leg tucks. Sit slightly back on your chair, hold the sides for balance, and lift both knees toward your chest, then extend them out. Keep your core tight and controlled. Do this for 30 to 45 seconds. It's a full ab workout in disguise. The slow, controlled movement ensures your muscles, not momentum, are doing the work. Next, engage the obliques again with side bends. Sit up tall, extend one arm overhead, and slowly lean to the opposite side. Return and switch. Do 10 reps each side. This improves flexibility, strengthens your side core muscles, and helps trim down the waistline. Pair this with a calorie deficit, and you're on your way to visible change. Let's keep it dynamic with seated fast feet. With your knees bent, alternate tapping your feet rapidly on the ground, almost like running in place. Go for about 30 to 45 seconds. This gets your heart pumping and brings in cardio benefits without stressing your joints. Add arm swings or overhead punches to multiply the burn. One of the most underutilized movements in chair workouts is the seated torso twist. Sit upright, hold a water bottle or light weight in front of you, and twist side to side. Do this for a minute. It activates your obliques, enhances spinal mobility, and torches those hard-to-reach side fat areas. A great addition for anyone looking to shape their waist and improve balance. Let's add some resistance with seated bicep curls. Use light dumbbells, water bottles, or resistance bands. Sit tall, keep your elbows close to your sides, and curl the weights up and down slowly. Do 12 to 15 reps. Stronger arms help with daily tasks, but they also boost your overall calorie burn by increasing lean muscle mass. To strengthen your upper back and improve posture, try seated rows. Hold your resistance band or just mimic the rowing motion with fists. Pull back, squeezing your shoulder blades together, then release. Do 10 to 12 reps. Good posture not only makes you look better, but also allows you to breathe more efficiently and engage your core more fully throughout the day. If you've got a resistance band, let's fire up the glutes with seated band abductions. Place the band around your thighs and push your knees outward, then release. Do this for 45 seconds. This strengthens your hips, improves stability, and contributes to overall fat loss by working large muscle groups. How about a full body move? Seated toe touches with an arm raise. Extend your legs, reach your hands to your toes, then sweep your arms up overhead. Repeat this for a minute. This combines stretching, core work, and upper body activation, giving you a full body stretch and burn, all while seated. For heart health and endurance, incorporate high knee taps. Raise your knees one at a time and tap them with your opposite hand. Move quickly to keep your heart rate up, aiming for a minute. This blends cardio and coordination and gives your metabolism a solid push. Don't forget the lower back. While seated, place your hands on your thighs, lean forward with a flat back, then return to upright. Repeat this for 10 to 12 reps. Strengthening the lower back helps prevent injury, improves posture, and supports all other movements in your day. Let's not ignore our calves. Do seated heel raises by lifting your heels off the ground while keeping your toes planted. Hold for a second, then lower. Do this for 30 to 60 seconds. It improves blood circulation, tones your calves, and supports overall leg endurance. It's also great for people at risk of poor circulation due to long periods of sitting. For another calorie-burning boost, let's try seated side steps. While sitting, step your right foot out to the side, then back to center, and repeat on the left. Add an upper body movement like an arm raise for more intensity. Do this for a minute. It mimics lateral movement and strengthens the outer thighs and hips, often overlooked but vital for joint health and balance. Ready for a challenge? Let's combine strength and cardio with the seated skater move. Cross one leg behind the other while leaning your upper body slightly in the opposite direction as if skating. Alternate sides for 1 minute. This works the glutes, thighs, and core all in one fluid motion, and it gets your heart pumping fast. Almost done, but let's cool down with slow seated shoulder rolls. Roll them forward and backward for 30 seconds each. Then take a deep breath in, raise your arms, and exhale while bringing them down. Repeat a few times. Cooling down is just as important as warming up. It helps your muscles relax, your breathing return to normal, and signals to your body that you've done something powerful today. The best part about chair exercises, they're not just about weight loss. They improve your mood, mobility, and motivation. They prove that progress isn't about perfection or pain. It's about consistency and commitment, even if you're seated. You don't need a gym, fancy shoes, or an hour of free time. All you need is a chair, a few minutes, and the willingness to begin. And if you keep showing up day after day, your body will show you what it's truly capable of, no matter your age, background, or current shape. So don't wait for Monday or for motivation to magically appear. Start today, even if it's just 5 minutes. Do a few of these moves, feel the shift in your body, and celebrate the small victories. Because in the end, it's not about doing everything perfectly, it's about doing something. And right now, from your chair, you've already taken the first step.